Welcome to Online Tools Master, the one-stop channel for mastering powerful online utilities in seconds. Today, we're exploring the PNG Blur Tool on onlinePNGtools.com. A fast, free, and super precise way to blur an entire PNG or just a selected area. Whether you want to soften an image or hide something sensitive, this tool does the job effortlessly. To get started, open your browser and head over to www.onlinePNGtools.com. From there, scroll down or use search to find PNG Blur. Click on it, and you're in. Now let's look at 3 useful examples. In this example, we blur a specific word from a dictionary page. A blur rectangle is placed around the word, size 205 by 35 pixels, and positioned at x equals 150, y equals 220. We set the blur radius to 15, just enough to obscure the word while keeping the rest of the image crisp. And that's it. To download the result, simply click Save As. Here we blur the entire PNG image. To do that, we start the blur area at x equals 0, y equals 0, and stretch it to cover the full image dimensions, 640 by 383 pixels. We use a blur radius of 25, creating a smooth, softened version of the full image. Perfect for soft backgrounds or hiding everything, and just one click to download. So in this example, we're blurring a flower PNG image that has a transparent background. To apply the blur across the entire image, we position the blur area at the top left corner, setting the X position to 0 and the Y position to 0. We then stretch the blur area to match the full image size using an area width of 612 pixels and an area height of 407 pixels. So to soften the image just enough without, over blurring it, we set the blur radius to 10. Once you're satisfied with the result, all you have to do is simply click on the Save As button to download your blurred PNG, with the transparency perfectly preserved. If you want precision, you can also draw the blur area directly on the image using your mouse. Super handy. Don't forget to check out our previous tutorials on Icon PNG Alpha Mask Generator and PNG to CMYK Color Converter. The links are in the description. Ready to blur your own PNGs? Just head over to www.onlinePNGtools.com. No sign up, no download. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who edits images online. Keep creating smarter with Online Tools Master.